come here.
Well, people grab that 9-inch saw cut through.
What do you guys have? What kind of gun?
Doesn't necessarily mean the door pops every time, but it means you're going to defeat the door every time. Okay? There's not a reason. This is just twisted metal, just to keep that latch open. So once we kind of get the spreaders in there, align everything right, it's going to pop open. Okay? So I'm a big vertical pusher, which lift that all. Your modified dash push. So back to traditional. The theory behind it is we put our spreader tips here and we start lifting, right? Once we start lifting, we're lifting this piece of the A-post that we completely took out of the integrity of the car. And as when a car's on its side, you have an eye, right? I'm on an engine company, I don't have a strut, okay? But
I pull as much as I can. Now I hold this webbing tight and I open my door. How much brake pull do I move?
a little bit forward.
That was the idea I heard first. They're closed and I don't know what's next.
Who's doing the pedal pull?
We are. All right. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 3 feet. Stop.
Got it. Go.
Ready to go to LZ. Okay, 3, go. All right.
Next, take a deep breath for me.
All right. So.
Okay, baby, we're gonna have to close it here. And we're gonna cover your abdomen.
We'll try me out.
Good. Okay, good. How about your legs? Good. Everything's good. Okay, look at your toes for me.
Wrap it around the door. Open the door. Paddle pull the pedal too.
Hard protection with straps for okay.
Biggest thing.
Right? So we want to try to get as much out as we can.
You can see it'll fold. Most likely it's not going.
Everyone gather around. Yeah, you're bending belly back. And at this point, we can see what we're doing, right? We had a ramp, we got the ramp, and we can push this right out.
So nice, cut that.
All the different.
What are these called?
Sure.
They're called fire badass shears. Not EMS shears, I think he's good.
So when I have something to push it.
We typically want to slap it through things. We're going to do it.
Yeah.
More room. More stuff, more left.
Alright, we got one done.
We're grabbing the plug right here. Sorry. George, here.
This. I'm seeing it shift, I'm seeing it move, I'm playing it by ear. You know, going a little bit at a time. What I don't want is to get all of this capture that we got, and then all of a sudden it slip and that come back down on the patient. All right, so let's just see for training purposes what we can do. Or Halligan, fry that up a little bit, get a guy in here with the Sawzall. You'll see.
How big you are? I don't care how much you work out. You're not gonna...
Guava barbecue sauce and the spices in the big container, and all the little ones are guava barbecue.
I gotta ask. So when's the water tank? Great to see the turnout too. Decon, we're getting into more, gross decon. Minds think alike, don't they?
Just thinking energy. That's what I'm thinking. Right, right.
Definitely a little thicker.
Okay. Open that up.
Watch your left hand there, bud. And then handle there.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Towards me.
Good.
All right. On the count of 3.
All the way to the LZ.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Watch your step.
Yep.
Watch out.
All right, down on her count. 1, 2,
3.
Thank you.
He's got it.
Hang on a sec. So here's one strap.
Get these bags. line. Stay stand square.
All right.
1 second.
I'm grabbing at one. Hey, we need somebody over here on this side.
Yep.
Dude, that's behind Bell. Over. And
Down. You know if anything hurts.
My pin line.
Can you wiggle your toes? Can you feel this? Push against my hand.
Good. Open your mouth.
We'll go ahead and call time. Ooh, trauma shield.
Blood and chesting.
Jason, yes. Send it back to me. Also, if you didn't have your FC dice number, just hit reply and give me your FC dice number.
Thanks guys for coming out. Take care.